We closed lot number 99 today. Rob Wilson with South Tampa Teardowns.com. I'm wearing my number 99 Wayne Gretzky jersey to commemorate the 99th lot that we've sold to a South Tampa builder. This particular homeowner had some interesting challenges. They had a contract and their buyer literally disappeared on the day of closing. And they gave us a call back and we talked for a little while. They were frustrated. They decided not to sell. And then they found the right house and they needed a fast closing. So we got the contract together at a fair price and we closed in 3 weeks on this property down south of Gandy. Do you have an older, smaller home that you're hoping to sell? Have you been frustrated by investors that haven't come through at the last second? Give me a call. My name's Rob Wilson. I'm with SouthTampaTeardowns.com and I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. I'd like to bring you a fair offer for your property where you won't have to pay for commissions, repairs, or closing costs. You can find out more on my website or give me a call. I'm at 813-784-4199. Thanks.